Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt a wave of self doubt? You're not alone. Many people struggle with self esteem, but today we'll explore how you can boost your self worth and transform your perspective. Self esteem is the way we perceive ourselves and our value in the world. It plays a crucial role in our mental and emotional well being, influencing everything from our relationships to our professional success. Unfortunately, many factors can diminish our self esteem, leading to a cycle of negativity that can be hard to break. In this script, we'll uncover effective strategies to help improve your self esteem and nurture a more positive self image. 1. Recognize negative self talk. One of the first steps to improving your self esteem is to become aware of how you talk to yourself. Pay attention to your inner dialogue. When you catch yourself engaging in negative self talk, challenge those thoughts, replace them with positive or neutral affirmations. For example, instead of saying, I always mess things up, tell yourself, I am learning and growing from my mistakes. 2. Set achievable goals. Start small. Setting and achieving manageable goals can build your confidence. Break larger tasks into smaller, actionable steps. Celebrate your accomplishments no matter how small they may seem. This will reinforce your sense of competence and encourage you to tackle bigger challenges. 3. Practice self compassion. Be kind to yourself. Acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes and that it's a natural part of being human. When you encounter setbacks, treat yourself as you would a friend. Speak to yourself with kindness and understanding rather than criticism. 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Evaluate the people you spend time with. Seek out supportive individuals who uplift you and foster a positive environment. Distance yourself from those who bring negativity into your life. Surrounding yourself with positivity can have a significant impact on your self esteem. 5. Engage in activities you love. Spend time doing things that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's a hobby, volunteering, or exercising, engaging in activities that make you happy can boost your mood and enhance your self esteem. Make it a priority to incorporate these activities into your routine. 6. Limit social media consumption. Social media can sometimes distort reality and create unrealistic comparisons. Make a conscious effort to limit your time on social platforms. Focus on the real life connections and experiences that truly matter. And remember that everyone has their struggles behind the scenes. 7. Seek professional help if needed. If low self esteem significantly impacts your daily life, consider seeking help from a professional therapist or counselor. They can provide you with valuable tools and strategies to work through your feelings and improve your self worth. To improve your self esteem, recognize negative self talk and replace it with positive affirmations. Set achievable goals, practice self compassion, and surround yourself with supportive people. Engage in joyful activities and limit social media usage. If necessary, seek professional help to guide you on your journey. Embarking on the journey to improve your self esteem is a brave and worthwhile endeavor. Remember, change takes time, and by taking small steps today, you're laying the foundation for a more confident tomorrow. Embrace the process, keep striving for growth, and celebrate the unique individual that you are. Your self worth is deserving of nurturing and respect,